So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the Tradingview. Yes, a lot of people ask how do I use the Tradingview. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the Tradingview. So subscribe to the channel, like and share please. Let me show you on the chat. So this is how you use the Tradingview. For those that are asking how do I use the Tradingview, this is it. So first of all, what is Tradingview? Tradingview is one of the tools that you need in order to begin your trading journey. And where is it found? It's found on Chrome. This is Chrome. You can also get an application for it. So it's on a website and then an application. So it depends on which one you want to use. So for me, I'm going to use the Chrome version. Yes, on the website. So you just go to your Chrome or to the browsing to the browsing app now. So this is Google Chrome. So you just go and search for it, Tradingview. You see it will appear, Tradingview. Then you tap on it, you click OK, you click on it. Then here you will see you can either pay for it, a premium version, and then unpaid one. So this one that we are going to use is unpaid. I did not subscribe to the premium version. This is just I'm going to show you guys. So you just go to super chats, as you see here, super chats. You go to super chats, tap on it, then you wait for it to load. This is how you can use now the Tradingview on here. It has all this. So now how do you use it? In Tradingview we analyze, and this is what you are going to trade now. Let's say you are analyzing GBP JPY, which is GJ here. So after you analyzing, what are you going to do next? Now you have to go and place on your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. After you analyzing here, let's say you find that it's an uptrend, and in an uptrend we look for buys. So after you getting that it's an uptrend here, analyzing, drawing your trend line, support and resistances, demand and supply, then you can go now to your MetaTrader 5 and place your positions. Let's say you got a buy, of which this market has been buying here also. After you getting this buy, then you can go and open positions on your MetaTrader 4 or 5 according to the one you use. So this is it. It has all the tools here. It has the path is used it's used for narrating. Let's say you have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is done for narrating. Let's say you trade, like you teach, okay, like the way I'm doing here now. I'm teaching you guys how to use it. So it has all these tools here, the position size, the long and the short. So all this, you see all this, it has everything that you need here in order to analyze. But it's not only the Tradingview that we use to analyze, we have others also that you can use if you are not interested in Tradingview. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and comment what you think about this video. See you in the next video guys. Subscribe to the channel.